Math application. Question. Once upon a time, there was a man who was to give 17 shapes to 3 songs, one half of the total for the first song, and 1/3 for the second song, and 1/9 for the third song. How many shapes each of the 3 songs will have? So we know the proportions of the allocation, but if we can convert them to the integer, that will be better. So we can use a proportion like this: 1 to 2 to 1 to 3 to 1 to 9 equal to 9 to 6 to 2. So the total will be 9 plus 6 plus 2 equal to 17. We can use a proportion like this: 17 multiple 9 divided by 17 equal to 9. 17 multiple 6 divided by 17 equal to 6. 17 multiple 2 divided by 17 equal to 2. So we can get the answer. The eldest son gets 9 shapes, the second son gets 6, and the third son gets 2. Thanks for watching.